Have you ever wondered if your daily habits might be silently wreaking havoc on your teeth? In this enlightening video, we're going to unveil the top 3 teeth-destroying habits that could be compromising your dental health. Get ready for a reality check as we dive into the truth behind these habits. Habit number 1, chewing on ice. Let's kick off with habit number 1, chewing on ice. It's a common habit, often seen as a refreshing pastime, but did you know it can actually pose a serious threat to your teeth? The hard and unforgiving texture of ice cubes can lead to dire consequences, such as chips, cracks, and even fractures in your precious enamel. So, the next time you're tempted to crunch away on ice, pause and think twice. Your teeth will thank you. Habit number 2, using teeth as tools. Habit number 2 might sound harmless, but it's a common practice that could lead to dental disasters. Using your teeth as tools for tasks they were never designed for can be catastrophic. From opening bottles to tearing packages, these actions can result in enamel damage, tooth fractures, or worst-case scenario, the loss of a tooth. Remember, your teeth are for chewing food, not for acting as stand-in tools. It's wiser to reach for the appropriate tools and protect your pearly whites. Habit number 3, overconsumption of sugary and acidic drinks. Our journey through dental health hazards takes us to habit number 3, overconsumption of sugary and acidic drinks. While indulging in soda, fruit juice, and energy drinks might satisfy your taste buds, these beverages can spell disaster for your teeth. The deadly duo of sugar and acid can relentlessly erode your enamel, inviting tooth decay and sensitivity to the forefront. When it comes to quenching your thirst, opt for smarter choices like water or milk to ensure your smile remains radiant. Now, armed with knowledge, you hold the power to safeguard your precious smile. By steering clear of these teeth-destroying habits, you can ensure a future of oral health and a brilliant smile that lasts for years to come. It all begins with small changes in your daily routine that yield remarkable results. As we wrap up, remember that your oral health is a treasure that deserves protection. Each choice you make, every habit you embrace, plays a pivotal role in maintaining the beauty and strength of your teeth. Thank you for tuning in to this vital discussion on teeth-destroying habits. If you found this information enlightening, consider subscribing to our channel for more dental hygiene insights, tips, and tricks. Keep an eye out for our upcoming video as we continue our journey towards healthier smiles. Until then, keep those teeth shining bright and stay committed to preserving your oral well-being. Remember, it's not just a smile, it's a reflection of your well-cared-for teeth. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay tuned for more enlightening content.